You're most welcome to today's class. We're going to look at this automated system and something very interesting that we're going to introduce to this system, which is attaching prices to our items. And that is what we're going to be looking at today. An example is this. If I come and select this item right now, let's say I select grape, you're going to see the price of the grape is going to be given to me automatically. I don't need to enter the price. If I change it from grape to mango, the price of mango is going to be given to me. And if I come now here and select the quantity of the mangoes I'm buying, it should be able to calculate for me the total amount I'm supposed to pay for the mangoes. If the price is 2,000 and I'm buying 4 mangoes, so I end up paying 8,000. Then I can come and select the shop attendant here, and automatically it's going to give me the date as well, the date in which this transaction took place. So that is what we're going to look at today. Without wasting a lot of time, let's go to our sheet 2. I already have the similar setup here. So let me copy my items. I have my list of items here that I'm going to be designing this system about. I'll copy this list of items and I bring it to my sheet 2 where I want, ideally you're supposed to type this, but I can't retype it again since I already have it somewhere. So let me just paste here formula value. Okay, let me paste the values. That's what I want. Yeah, these are the figures that I need. Let me start with my serial number. I'll put the first one manually. The second one I'm going to put a formula to give me the second serial number, equal sign if open brackets. I'm going to choose this time, let me go with the item. If this is empty, what should it do? It should say if it equals to is blank, open brackets, false, close brackets, say comma. Okay, after that I'm going to, yes, after putting that, I'm going to say open quotation, close quotation, because if it's empty, it should return from an empty value. But what if it's not empty? It should get this and add to it plus 1. Plus 1, should add that plus 1, close brackets. And then what I need to do at this point is to hit enter, and I'm going to get my value. I autofill. It's empty right now because my cell which I looked at is also empty. This one, at least up to this far, we should be knowing. And then I'm coming to this other one here for the items, and I'm going to do data validation here, where I will come to data, then data validation. I'm going to select a list, and I already have my list here. I'm going to press this arrow here which is saying source and associate. I'm going to press my arrow, carry this aside, and then highlight. Then after that, I press this arrow pointing down still, I click. It's going to give me my list of my range of items as you're seeing here. I click OK. If you want to enter them manually, please go ahead and do it manually. I have no problem against that. But for me, since I already have it typed somewhere, I just need to autofill now because I've gotten my items. Just need to autofill. Then the prices. I come to prices, put equal sign. Here I'm going to attach the price to the items using the nested if function, where I'll say equal sign if, open brackets. This field here, which is my C2, equals to, I'm not going to use greater, minus, less than. I'm going to use equal because it's going to be either it's a mango, it's orange, it's just going to be an exact match of the items. So I'm going to say if C2 equals to, open quotation, apple, comma, close quotation. I have to first close the quotation, comma, then I put the price that I want to attach to apple. I'll put the price, which is let's say the price they are selling it 1,500 for apple, each apple. I say comma, if open brackets this very cell equals to open quotation, which item, or banana is number 2, banana. Make sure the spelling is correct. The exact spelling you put the other side should be the exact spelling here. So I put banana, comma, not comma, I mean open quotation, close quotation, comma. I put the price of banana, which is 500 each, comma, if open bracket C2 equals to orange. Oh, I have forgotten my open quotation, orange, close quotation, comma. What else? I'm going to say orange is how much? Let's say 800 each orange, comma, if open brackets my C2 equals to open quotation mango, close quotation, comma, mango is how much? 2,000, comma, if open brackets C2 equals to open quotation strawberry, close quotation, comma, I give it how much? I give it strawberry, let's say 3,000, comma, if open brackets this equals to pineapple, close, comma, pineapple, let me put it at 5,000, comma, if open brackets, grape, C2 equals to grape, close, comma, grape, let me give it 3,000, comma, if open brackets C2 equals to open quotation water melon, close, comma, let me put it at 10,000, comma, if open C2 equals to open quotation kiwi, close, comma, Kiwi, let me put it 4,000, let me put it at 7,000, comma. Then I'm going to say if open quotation, open brackets, I mean, C2 is equal to open close, comma. The last one, if no item has been selected, I'm going to conclude by open quotation and closing quotation without putting anything, that is else. If nothing has been selected, no item has been selected, my unit price should remain empty, also should not have anything. So here I'm going to do what? I'm going to close the bracket according to the number of times I've opened it. If our formula is okay and we have not missed out any comma or anything anywhere, it should be able to work. The only way we can know that is when we hit enter. It should work, and for sure there's a problem with our formula and we need to trace where the problem is. Here we have said if, okay, it's okay up to that line, comma, if C2 banana, which is okay, if orange, which is okay, if mango, which is okay, if strawberry, which is okay, if pineapple, which is okay, grape is fine, is okay, if C2 equals to KV7, it's okay, if that is okay, if okay, we are trying to see what is wrong with our formula. It's telling us false. Let's first select an item here and we see, yes, the price is going to be given to us, okay. Else, I think my problem is around here, our problem is around here. Let's see our else statement. Let's choose pineapple, it gives, okay, let's go step by step. Apple, it gives us, banana, it gives us, orange, it gives us, mango, it gives us the price, strawberry, it gives us, pineapple, it gives us, grape is fine, watermelon is okay, kiwi is okay. This is where our problem is. Oh, let's see, where did we get it? Okay, we didn't put the price for this one. Yes. Comma, it should give us how much are we selling this fruit. Let's say we are selling it 4,500. Yes, let's sell it at 4,500. Okay. Oh, comma, we have missed up a comma here, comma, 4,500, which is okay. We hit enter, we autofill. Oh yeah, it's now working well. So when we come to quantity here, we're going to come to data validation. We choose list, and here we're going to put the quantity we want: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's end about there. Let's say 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We say okay. We autofill. And then we come to here, where we're going to say Yes, for the total we're going to say equal sign, open brackets, we get the unit price, we multiply it by the quantity, close brackets, hit enter, and then we autofill as well. And then we're going to get those values. But there's a problem now. We are getting zeros, which we really don't need. I mean, we're getting this here. Can we try to correct it? Let's try to correct it so that it does not give us that. And when you come to this side here, okay, we have this formula that we use, which is the is blank one. And this is what basically we said. If we come to our formula here, if you come to our work, this is what we are saying. Equal sign if, open brackets, let's use C2, if C2 equals to is blank, open brackets, false, close brackets, comma, else it should return for us an empty value. That's what we're saying. But if it's not empty, what should it do? It should get this, multiply by this, to give us the result that we may need. And when we autofill, should it? Yes, that problem has gone off. We have done away with the error that we are getting. So if we get now here, let's say the port about 7, we should be able to get the total that we are looking at. And then we are looking at the shop attendants. Who is selling things in our shop? Who is selling these fruits? So what we are going to do is we shall still do the data validation with the name of the shop attendants, where we shall do data validation list. Then we have Nakato, Karo, comma, then we also have Loduk, Moses. Those are the two people whom we have are selling in the shop. We click OK, and then we can autofill as well. Let me do this. Okay, it's Nakato, Karo, and then Loduk, Moses. Okay. Then we want the date each time. Let's say this person is selected, the person who is selling is selected. It should return for us a value, I mean the current date. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another formula here, which is equal sign if, open brackets, is blank. Which one is that? This cell here, comma, should return for me an empty value if it is empty, else it should return for me current date, which is put by the formula now, open bracket, close bracket, then close quotation, hit enter, and I can see the current date given to me. Much as it's showing figures, it's just the data type here. So let me change it from that to short date, which is this. Yes, I can see the date is given to me. If I autofill, you're going to see the rest are remaining empty, as you're seeing here. So here, what do I need to do? Here, all I need to do is come, select the item. I first have to put the person who is buying. Let's say Peter. Is the one who made the first purchase. Now the person making the second purchase is called Luke. And Luke is buying what? Luke is buying mango. And then this is going to be calculated for me. I come and select. and automatically the rest is going to be I just need to select the person who is selling. It's Loduku sold, and it's going to bring the date as well. So basically this is what we looked at today, making use of the nested if function, and then there is blank function as well. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next lecture.